Olivia with Create Odyssey, and I'm here with a tutorial for my mini series, and we're gonna make pumpkins. It's really simple. All you need is a punch and then whatever kind of decorations you want. I'm using Dimensional Magic by Mod Podge, but you can literally decorate your pumpkins however you want. You can put, you know, bows or faces. You can draw on them. You can emboss them. Actually, the paper I used right here is embossed. I don't know if you can see it, but yeah, it's embossed on the bigger pumpkin. We're going to be making the smaller pumpkins, but I just wanted to let you know if you want this size, I used the 1.5 inch. So yeah, that's that. And so we're going to use the 1 inch punch. I got mine from Michael's. It's Recollections. I currently have Dimensional Magic on here. If you can see, it's still drying. So yeah, I'm gonna set that right there. Literally all you need is some scrap paper. I have this green and some orange, but you can do pastel colors. I know pastel is really popular. As you see, I just made another one, that one right there. So all you need to do is punch 3 circles. Maybe I should punch down only because I'm doing this video. I don't want them to fly out on me. All right. Okay, once you have your 3 circles, I'm actually just going to go ahead and cut the stem. So now we're going to make a stem. So you just need to, this is about 1 inch. But even if you cut it crooked, you guys, you're gonna hide the part behind the pumpkin, and then you kind of just decide like how thick you want your pumpkin top to be. So I think that's gonna be good. Might be a little long. I'll probably end up might as well cut it now. I'll cut it down a little bit. Okay, I just cut it down. All right, then first you're going to start with 2 of your circles. You want them to overlap about halfway. As you can see in this example, you kind of want your pumpkin to, when it's all done, you want it to look even. So I kind of eyeball it, and then if you wanted, you could use a stapler and just staple it. For quickness, I'm just going to use hot glue, because who doesn't like hot glue? And pretty much all of America owns hot glue. So it makes it simple. So then you just go like this. And if a little bit like that got out, don't worry, we're going to cover it up anyway. So like that. That part's done. Then you're going to take your center and you're going to center it in between. Now see, I didn't leave that much edge, so this one's going to be smaller. The more you push these 2 circles together, the less edge or siding that you're going to see for your pumpkin. We'll do another one. I'll glue this one right in the middle. I just use a little bit. You could do the whole circle if you wanted, but I'm just going to, for the sake of this video, I'm just going to do that. And I actually pull mine down to where it's like, I want to say a little bit lower than the other 2, the center circle, just so that you can see the stem better and it looks like it's actually a stem for your pumpkin. So then same thing, you're just going to take some glue, swatch it on the back, make sure that you have your paper if it's one-sided facing the right direction, and then you're going to take your piece and put it on there. And then while it's still hot, you can decide how much stem you want showing, a lot or a little. See, this I have more stem showing. This one I have less stem showing. And see, there you go. There's the 2 little pumpkins. And then we'll go ahead and make another one. And I'll show you. I forgot I was gonna do it upside down so that I wasn't shooting paper at the camera. All right. Then we've got our 3 circles. Go ahead and put a little glue on there. I'm gonna leave more of it showing this time on the edges. See how I have hot glue showing there? It doesn't matter because we're gonna put the center piece on. Remember, pull this down just a little bit. See? There you go. How adorable is that? Then all you need is your green paper for your stem. And that is all you need to make these adorable little pumpkins. And you can decorate them, like I said, how you want. And you can send them in Happy Mail. And who doesn't like to get a cute little pumpkin in their Happy Mail? Because it's fall, you guys. Even if Halloween is over, pumpkins are still in. Well, they are for me. I like pumpkins. If you don't want the top like straight, you could cut it to kind of make it, you know, curvy if you like. You know, some pumpkins don't have straight stems. I probably should have done this before I hot glued it, but that's okay. See, and you could kind of make a curved edge, but now I need to replace it because it's not in the middle. There we go. See, like that. I'm going to actually re-glue it. You see it came off. Pretty good for me there. I'll go ahead and put some more hot glue and I'll center it better like that. And there you go. It's that simple. Like I said, you can do whatever you want to decorate them. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. Be sure to like this video and to subscribe. We have one more awesome video coming for October. Bye.